Tinkerbell, playing with the meow, having a good time. She has a little hernia, so she won't be available for adoption until after her stay. And those are the little black ones, about medium long haired. They're brothers, Wayne and Schuster. Very cute, very cuddly, very sociable little boys. They are about 6 weeks old. So they're back in the old nursery. But if you want to adopt these kittens, you must call Mavis Smith at Barking Barns Rescue. They're fun to watch. They get their cuddle lessons. They get to play. They get their eyes and ears and bums checked and cleaned. They're perfect kittens. And I hope they get really good homes, because they're so innocent, so beautiful. Hey, my beautiful boys. Oh, what a cute kitten. All right, kittens, keep playing.